Does your ankle hurt? Then you want to do the door knock to instantly reduce the ankle pain. This is Jimmy the Acu. And so if you have swollen ankles where you just can't lift your foot, then you want to look to your wrist. The wrist corresponds to the ankle. So you want to dig and find that tender spot. And when you find it, you're going to press for 30 seconds. And then you're going to do the door knock, and then you're going to move your wrist. So do this for 30 seconds and then go back to your ankle and move your ankle. It should instantly increase the flexibility, movement, and decrease the pain. If it doesn't, then you gotta find another spot. And you can use the other wrist too. Doesn't matter which wrist you do. So you wanna do this at least 3 times a day. So do this. Remember, find a tender spot, do the door knock, and then move your ankle. Make sure you like this video and follow me here for more of these awesome solutions.
I'm seeking treatment for my ankle, and basically the acupuncture has helped. I've had surgery 2 times and treatment many times without success. I have no pain any longer. I have been coming to treatment now, I believe, 3 months, and it has worked very well. Thank you.
Foot pain, you want to spread your fingers. So we're talking about Morton's neuroma, which basically just means your nerve sheath between your toes gets inflamed. Usually it's between the second, third toe, so right in this area, and then third and fourth toe right in this area. The nerve sheath gets inflamed and it's painful, and sometimes you go to a podiatrist, they'll put a little pad on here to spread out the space. Here's a simple way to decrease that inflammation. You want to use your hands. So if you imagine your hands are your feet, between the second and third, you're going to go up here, okay? In this area right here, we call the metacarpal area. You're going to press and find that tender spot, okay? And then between the third and fourth, you're going to press around here. Opposite hand works for opposite foot, okay? You're going to massage this as many times as you want. Press really hard. Go from this side also, right? Don't be picky. Make sure you hit the follow button here on Instagram.